Hi everyone, the word of the day is zealous. Let's look at the meaning of the word. The word zealous is an adjective, and it means to show some enthusiasm and eager. For example, his zealous attitude made him a winner in overcoming every obstacle of life with a smile on his face. Now it's time to see the example sentences. Number 1, some of the officers were more zealous than others in enforcing the disciplinary code. Number 2, this type of tedious community work needs zealous volunteers, not people who enroll out of compulsion. Number 3, he was a zealous worker for charitable bodies. Number 4, the detective was zealous in her pursuit of the kidnappers. Number 5, no one was more zealous than Emma in supporting the proposal. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, then please like, comment and share this video. And if you want to learn more new words, then subscribe to our channel.